Hey everyone, this is Trevor with Flex Machine Tools. Today we're looking at a custom application with our PM-33-A. This end effector was specifically designed for a machine tending application. In the actual application, the operator is reaching into a machine about chest height and lifting parts up to 50 pounds. This setup shows how the arm can pick, place, and lift parts in a controlled way. In the real environment, the motion is happening in a much tighter space. What makes this setup different is the pneumatic gripper is mounted on a vertical shaft. So instead of reaching in, the part can be lowered straight down into position. That same motion is what allows it to work inside a machine. It's not about just lifting weight, it's about reducing awkward reach and repeated motions throughout the day. This also helps standardize your process and not have a dependency on a specific operator's height, strength, or experience level. The system helps make the motion consistent and repeatable across different users. This is one example of a custom solution, where we build systems to solve a wide range of part handling and ergonomic challenges. Feel free to reach out to us if you have ergonomic problems.